Here's a quick overview of the FFC2 low profile cart. Now, we designed this low profile cart to make it easier to move around machinery, tools, drums of oil or water or liquid, tanks, anything that could fit on a cart that instead of you want to drag it across the floor, you can toss on the cart and make your life a lot easier. And you can also protect your floor in the meantime. So for the design of this cart, it's manufactured from one solid piece of 10 gauge plate. You can see on the edge here, it's reinforced with a nice 1/2 inch lip. That way when you're tilting stuff and dumping it over the edge, it's not going to roll that lip over with time. And the lip is right around 2.5 inches off of the concrete. So if you got something heavier you're trying to lift with two guys, or you're tilting it and then pivoting it over the lip, it's not very high, so it's very easy to get stuff into the cart. The cart has an opening of 24 inches on both sides, so you can fit, a 55-gallon drum will fit in there nicely, or your 6.5 horsepower packers, your pumps, your generators, things of that size fit in there really nicely. As for the casters, they're 2 3/4 inch diameter. They're polyurethane casters, so if you get your epoxy coated floors, they're not going to damage that. And so the cart is spec'd with 2 fixed and 2 swivel casters. And when you do order it, you can actually change that spec, so it comes with 4 swivel if you wish to, have it swivel, or turn it on a dime or move it across the floor diagonally. That's what the 4 swivel casters would be useful for. And you'll also notice that in the top here, you can change the orientation of how the solid or the fixed casters are positioned. So in this case, the cart rolls back and forth this direction, but let's say you want to change that so it moves back and forth this way. You can turn these casters in whatever orientation you feel is appropriate for your needs. We just try to make it as versatile as possible. So that's the FFC2 low profile cart. Well built, heavy duty, and it makes moving stuff around real easy.